So guys, this is how you update your Emirates ID and your passport in the ADCB application in just 2 easy steps. Once you log in into your ADCB app, you will see this system message pop up. That is if your Emirates ID is expired. If you don't get this message, then you have to go to your profile by clicking on this button right here. Once you are in your account profile, you'll see this section that says KYC Documents. To scan and update a new ID, click on it and then verify with your face scan. As you can see on the screen, we have our KYC documents, both the passport and the Emirates ID, plus the status right now. So my passport is valid. Let me go ahead and update the Emirates ID by clicking here on the update button. So once you click on the update Emirates ID button, your Emirates ID number will automatically be input. All you have to do is to enter the expiry date of your new ID. Remember, you don't need your original new ID. You can still complete this process if you have a clear copy. Go ahead and scan your new Emirates ID. If you don't have it, then upload it as a photo, both the front and the back side. Please review the information you have entered. Select on the checkbox, hit the like button, subscribe, and then tap on submit. You will then receive this success message also indicating your reference number plus an email notifying you about the changes that has been made to your account. So this is exactly how you change your Emirates ID, how you update your Emirates ID and passport in the ADCB.